Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using AI step by step in 2026. We are going to be using ChatGPT in order to generate the prompts, and then we are going to be using Ideogram in order to create the actual thumbnail image. So I will show you the practical examples so that you can follow the exact process. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on chatgpt.com. Over here, you just have to basically choose the topic of your video. For example, let's say the topic of your video is top 5 AI tools that save 10 hours per week. So now, after opening ChatGPT, you need to ask it to generate the thumbnail prompt for an AI image generator. So you can give a prompt that can look something like this. Create a detailed AI prompt for a YouTube thumbnail about this particular topic. The thumbnail should look bright, futuristic, then attention grabbing and suitable for YouTube. So over here you can add as many information as you want so that ChatGPT is going to give you best prompt. So now it has given us this particular prompt which you need to copy from here. Then come on ideogram.com. Over here, after signing in your account, simply paste the prompt here. Then you can select the number of generations, and in the resolution, make sure that 16:9 is selected. After entering the prompt, you just have to wait for some time until it completes the generation, and basically in one go, Ideogram is going to give you 4 responses. So this was the basically step of creating the thumbnail if you have a topic. But if you also have the any kind of reference image or a reference thumbnail, you can click on this plus icon and then you can add that thumbnail over here in the form of image. After that, you can give it this particular prompt. Let's say, provide me the description of this thumbnail in the form of a prompt so that I could generate the similar type of thumbnail with the help of AI. So now it is going to analyze this image and it is going to basically generate the prompt for us. Now, if we go back to Ideogram, as you can see, it has created 4 stunning thumbnails for us. And as you can see, this one is looking really good. This one also is really good. Now, the best part about Ideogram is that you can use it absolutely for free. Plus, if you want the Ideogram AI to basically rewrite the prompt for you, you can definitely go ahead and do so with the help of these particular options that are given over here. Now, as you can see, it has basically given us the prompt. So I'm going to be copying this particular prompt over here so that I could use Ideogram in order to generate it for me. So now, as you can see, it has more information than our previous prompt. So I really like this particular step. So you just have to wait for some time until Ideogram generates the thumbnail for you. When it is generated, you will be able to see it over here. And as you can see, it has created similar type of thumbnail which we have given as reference. So I like this one, and this one is also good. So you can just simply click on the option of download and you can download the SD quality absolutely for free. You can use AI in order to enhance this thumbnail, and now you can use it right away on your videos. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.